The Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have said, "Whoever intentionally delays their Hajj pilgrimage and dies without fulfilling it, Allah will resurrect them on the day of resurrection as a Jew or a Christian, i.e. as a non-Muslim." Failing to perform Hajj when capable is considered a major sin, and denying its obligation is regarded as disbelief. You must perform Hajj at least once in your lifetime if you meet the necessary conditions. What are these necessary conditions for Hajj? You must have reached the age of Islamic maturity. You must have the health and strength to travel. If you cannot travel due to long-term illness or old age, it's not obligatory for you to go personally. Instead, you should appoint someone to perform the pilgrimage on your behalf. The route must be safe, with no threat to your life, property, or honor. If there is danger, Hajj is not obligatory. You must also have enough funds to cover the expenses of the journey, including food, drink, and other necessities. This also includes transportation for the return trip if you plan to return home. Additionally, you must be able to support yourself and your family on the return trip. Unless these conditions are fulfilled, the Hajj is not obligatory. Before embarking on the journey for Hajj, you should make sure that all debts are settled before you depart if possible. Make sure that any money used for Hajj came from halal, permissible earnings, ensuring that they are free from any haram, prohibited earnings. Make sure you have paid your khums and zakah before your journey. Write a will just in case something happens during your journey. Ask for forgiveness from family, friends, and anyone you may have wronged. Items to take: a valid passport with Hajj visa, vaccination records, especially for meningitis, emergency contact details for urgent situations, prescribed medicines and basic remedies, unscented soap, shampoo, or toiletries, comfortable breathable footwear, sandals for men that don't cover the whole foot, small towel for hygiene, toothbrush and toothpaste, money belt for cash and important items, 2 pieces of unstitched cloths, ihram, for males, long and modest clothing for women, supplication books or apps for specific prayers, Quran for reading, light blanket or sleeping bag for overnight stays in certain areas. Types of Hajj. Number 1. Hajj al-Ifrad. This type of Hajj is usually for the people living in Mecca or those living within a 77-kilometer radius. This type of Hajj is also independent of Umrah. 2. Hajj al-Qiran. Similar to Hajj al-Ifrad, this type of Hajj is also usually for the people living in Mecca and the same geographic boundary. However, it differs in that the pilgrim must bring a sacrificial animal with them when entering the state of Ihram. 3. Hajj al-Tamattuʿ. This type of Hajj is performed by pilgrims living outside the Meccan region. It consists of 2 separate acts of worship, Umrah al-Tamattuʿ followed by Hajj al-Tamattuʿ. Umrah must be performed before Hajj, and both must take place during the same pilgrimage season. We will be focusing on Hajj al-Tamattuʿ in the next few videos, as it is the type of Hajj performed by most pilgrims around the world.